Welcome to Sawarima Captain App. You have the option to choose your preferred language. Register yourself in Sawarima Captain App. Log into your account and upload all the required documents. Then under Manage Vehicle, choose your vehicle type and upload insurance paper. After the approval of admin, you need to verify your mobile number. By clicking in Heat View, you can track the location of active users. You can stay online by clicking the button on the top of your screen. By clicking on Return, you can set your destination and you will get request of your specified route. In Bookings, you can view your total earnings, ratings, and orders. In Sawarima Wallet, you can add or transfer balance. You can add money by clicking on Pay with eSewa. Fill up your details and confirm to successfully load your wallet. You can transfer the wallet balance to both users and provider. You can view your transaction history by clicking on Transaction tab. You can invite your friends and get rewards. You can also view your overall stats. You can also add 5 contacts as your emergency contacts. The payment will be done if your wallet balance reaches Rs 500 or more. Thank you for choosing Sawarima.